In this video, I'm going to show you how to put someone on speed dial on iPhone. So first, let's head on over to the app library and let's search up shortcuts. Okay, so now let's open up shortcuts and let's create a new shortcut. Click on the plus icon on the top right corner and search add. Click on add action and put in call, and then you can choose a contact of which you're gonna put on speed dial. And once you've done that, just click on done, and you can click on the three dots right here, and you can rename these shortcut, and let's put it on speed dial. And once you've done that, just click on the arrow again and click on add to home screen and click on add. And once you've done that, it's already added to your home screen, so just click on it and it will automatically speed dial someone that you put on speed dial. So if you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments and I'll do my best to help you out.